Mental health matters, let's talk about it. Hey, everyone, welcome back to Current Pulse. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: mental health awareness and education. Mental health affects us all, yet it's something we don't talk about nearly enough. So let's change that right here, right now. First things first, what exactly is mental health? Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, and it plays a role in how we handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. Just like physical health, mental health is something we need to take care of throughout our lives. Mental health, emotional, psychological, social well-being. Let's talk about some common mental health conditions. You might have heard of anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, and PTSD. These are just a few examples, and they can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background. Anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, PTSD. Anxiety disorders are the most common mental health conditions in the world, affecting millions of people. Depression is another widespread condition, characterized by persistent sadness and a lack of interest or pleasure in activities. So, how do you know if you or someone you love might be struggling with their mental health? Here are some signs to look out for. Persistent sadness or low mood. Extreme mood changes. Withdrawal from friends and activities. Changes in sleep or appetite. Fatigue or low energy. Difficulty concentrating. If you notice these signs in yourself or someone else, it's important to reach out for help. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. One of the biggest challenges in addressing mental health is the stigma surrounding it. Too often, people feel ashamed or embarrassed to talk about their struggles. But here's the truth: mental health is just as important as physical health, and there's no shame in seeking help. Break the stigma. Talk about it. Whether you're dealing with a mental health condition or supporting someone who is, talking openly about it can make a huge difference. The more we talk about mental health, the more we can normalize these conversations and help those who are struggling feel less alone. So, what can you do if you or someone you know is struggling? The first step is to reach out. This could be to a friend, family member, or a mental health professional. There are also helplines and online resources available if you're not sure where to start. Talk to someone you trust. Seek professional help. Use helplines and online resources. And remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Mental health professionals, such as therapists and counselors, are trained to help you navigate your feelings and find coping strategies that work for you. Mental health is something we should take care of every day, not just when things get tough. Here are a few self-care tips to help maintain your mental wellness. Stay active and exercise regularly. Eat a balanced diet. Get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Stay connected with loved ones. Set realistic goals and priorities. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. By taking care of your mental health, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges and be there for the people who need you. Thanks so much for joining me in this important conversation about mental health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What are some ways you take care of your mental health? And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You're not alone. Reach out. Get help. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, your mental health matters.